kind of isolated.
It's too full. How open is it?
Oh, swimming pool. It's a swimming pool.
It would.
What is this?
Huh?